All right, welcome to part 3 of our series on how to make money with ChatGPT, as stated by ChatGPT. I'm wearing a new shirt because it's a new day. And since this is part 3, we're doing number 2, which is the language translation services. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, so you can offer translation services for businesses and individuals. Easy enough. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to say, hey, ChatGPT, can you write me a script I can paste into my text editor? It's a Python script. Of course I can help you with that. What do you want the script to do? Please provide more details. Okay. Let me go over here. Let me see. Yeah, we can just get rid of that. We just use that one and we say, I want a Python script that prompts the console to put in a piece of text. Then it prompts for the language. List out the language codes that I can input, and then it queries the OpenAI API, sends in the text that was entered in the console as well as the language to translate it to, and then it outputs the translated text to console. Let's see how that goes. Oh, I just got a message. All right. OpenAI secret. Okay, there are our languages. Here's our text. Here is this. It's creating the call to the OpenAI API. Prints out the translation. Let's see how this does. Arg parse. Okay, I've never used that before. OpenAI secret manager. Can we accomplish this without using OpenAI secret manager? There you go. Okay. This is going to be better. Directly passing your OpenAI API key. Okay, fair enough. We're going to this video is brought to you by Delicious Birdie's Coffee. Taste the rainbow. Not sponsored. Not actually sponsored. Here's our code. Here's our pasting. Here is our OpenAI API key that I'm not going to show you. It's in do not. That OpenAI key. This is why I love PyCharm, is it automatically imports it now that we've referenced that. Arg parse not used. And we're going to run it. Enter the text to translate. What are we going to say? We're going to say, please click like and subscribe. Enter the language translated to. Let's do Español. Por favor, haga clic en el botón me gusta y suscríbase para recibir más videos como este. That's a little interpretive. Interesting. A little interpretive. Let's try something else. We're going to say, leave a comment below. I I don't know, JA? That might be a little difficult. And that's whatever that is in Japanese. That's great. Yeah, so, you could plug in, you can probably swap out, the inputs. You could build it into your app, however you want to do it. But yeah, that's how now you're a pro translator. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the next video in the series.